Hi, it's Zach. Today I just wanted to give you the opportunity to share in a new recipe with me. I'm going to attempt to make some keto almond flour pancakes. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, stay tuned. Alright, so to get started, we need a cup of almond flour. And I like to weigh things out because I think it's a more accurate way to get that. So 1 cup is going to be 88 grams. So here we go. Oh my gosh. I feel like this is going to make a lot more than I realized it was going to make. And there we go. 88 grams. It's supposed to call for 2 tablespoons of oil, but that's a lot of calories to me, so I'm going to see how 1 tablespoon is and then go from there. And again, I'm weighing this out. Oops, it was a little more, but I think it'll be okay. Then we're going to use 2 eggs, and don't judge my egg cracking abilities. One. And 2. And there is 1/4 cups of water, and I don't actually have a liquid measuring cup, so just gonna go with that. I already had it measured out. And and some salt. It did say 1 tablespoon or something like that, or 1/4 of a tablespoon. I'm just gonna put in a little bit to taste. The last bit is to put in a little bit of artificial sugar. I swiped some Splenda from the Starbucks yesterday, so we're gonna utilize that. And then you mix. Alright, so this is what it looks like mixed up. And now I'm gonna go ahead and get a pan ready and align it with a little bit of cooking spray. Alright, let's see how this goes. Ooh, I don't feel like it should be smoking like that. Let's turn on a little bit of a fan. Wow, this is very exciting. I should have made sure this was already hot. Starting to bubble a little bit around the edges, looking good. Look at her go, look at her go. This features my handy dandy pumpkin spatula. Circa undergrad gift from a friend's parent. Let's watch my great flipping skills. Oh, look at her! Yes! Come through. She looks good. Oh my gosh. Yes! Yes! I don't know how long to let her go. She looks good. We're gonna take her off. We're gonna take her off. Alright y'all, here's the end result. I made some sausage to also go along with it, and I'll try a little bit of it for you right now. This is my first time. Well, that was a hair, that's concerning, but I don't know who else's it would be except mine, but it was pretty good. Definitely not a pancake, like not the same thing you would expect, but it's got some good flavor, and you know, the general idea is still there. And the texture is just a little different. I think it's because the almond meal I have is not particularly fine. So I wonder if you could do this with like a really fine like coconut flour or something like that to get the same desired effect. But I'll probably make these again at some point because I'm not mad about it. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, a like, a subscribe, a comment, you know, all those things, and stay tuned for more videos from me.